let me say that the entire history of President Putin has been to use pretext after pretext to justify what he's doing, whether that's in South Ossetia, in the Georgian country as a whole, or what the outrage that he's been perpetrating for over a year and a half in eastern Ukraine. There's always an excuse. There's always a pretext. Well, I think we need to recognize that that ISIS is effective in the social media with a certain strain of human nature, and that it doesn't take very many converts to cause a problem. But it's not just the Balkans. It's the United States. It's the United Kingdom. It's Canada. Young people are being recruited through the internet, through social media, and they're being convinced that they should come and fight on behalf of this Islamic State group.